So in this video, I will show you how to delete WhatsApp chat history. Make sure to watch the video till the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, go to WhatsApp. Tap on this three dot. Go to settings. Go to chats. Scroll to down and tap on this chat history. Tap on this third option, clear all chats. Tap on it. So check on this two box. So tap on this clear chat. After you finish with this, tap on this last option, delete all chats. So this will delete all the pictures and the videos you made on your chats. So tap on this delete chats. So if you come to this session, you can't be able to see any chats because you have already deleted them. So for now, I did not delete them. That's why you are seeing my chats. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.